Thank you for your views and likes. We woke up an hour ago. We breastfed the baby. We went to the toilet or the CR or restroom. And then mommy went back to bed to check the baby. She's awake, but big sister or her sister is still sleeping until now. And mommy checked some tasks on her phone and saw the baby crawling and has already pooped. So we went inside the toilet to clean her up. But since it's hot today, it's really humid, mommy took the baby to bath already. But still, it's hot. Mahal, pa-adjust naman yung fan. Tapos, share. Kiss with Jemima. Okay na. We adjusted the fan so we will have a better wind. There, look at the fan. Still hot. Of course, one of my worries is how they will again battle the heat later on. So I hope that they will not get heat stroke. May you want to did it, mommy? You come here. Now we are checking, guys, if even though we don't have the comments at the moment, you can still um, send your support in other ways. Thank you for your 4 likes there.